Have you ever wondered how solar panels generate electricity? In just 2 minutes, I'll break it down for you. Solar panels are made up of many smaller units called photovoltaic, or PV cells. These cells are made from materials like silicon, which can convert sunlight into electricity. When sunlight hits a PV cell, it knocks electrons loose from their atoms. This creates an electric current. Each PV cell consists of 2 layers, one positively charged and one negatively charged. When light hits the cells, electrons move between these layers, creating an electrical circuit. This is called the photovoltaic effect, and it's what produces direct current or DC electricity. Since most homes and businesses use alternating current, or AC, the direct current is then sent through an inverter, which converts it into usable AC power. Finally, the electricity flows into your home, powering your lights, appliances, and devices. And if you're generating more electricity than you use, it can even be sent back to the grid, reducing your electric bill. And that's how solar panels work. They take energy from the sun and turn it into electricity to power your home, clean, renewable, and efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick explanations on topics like this.